How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. In the search icon, search for Snapchat customer service, then click on Snapchat support. Once you're in this page, scroll all the way down and you'll see the option of contact us. Click on it. Now you have to select I think my account was compromised. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the option in order to fill up the form. First thing first, enter the username of your account that you want to retrieve. After that, enter the email address and also the phone number. After that, in the section, you simply have to write that my account has been permanently locked. Please help me recover my account as soon as possible. Also enter your username, email address and phone number, and then click on submit. Within 24 hours, if your account can be retrieved, it will be retrieved within 24 hours. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.